Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display customer role column in order page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section and we are going to add custom role. Now in order page you see order, date, status. So we are going to add custom column. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see customer role. So this is our column title. So you can add column title according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order page and refresh the page. Now you see custom column added, custom role, and then you see user role, customer. Now you see again customer. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.